Samsung has finally introduced its newest foldable device, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, with a cryptic and intriguing teaser. The teaser is brief, stylish, and filled with dramatic music and visual flair, presenting a foldable silhouette. It also makes big claims about pushing the limits and providing the ultimate extreme experience. The teaser hints that this is the Fold 7 under a somewhat different branding umbrella, prompting questions about whether Samsung intends to drop the Fold moniker entirely or merge it with the Galaxy Ultra canopy to create a more cohesive identity with the S series. The teaser also mentions a larger, better screen and features shaped by user input, implying that Samsung wants users to anticipate real changes rather than merely an annual update. The Geekbench listing for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 model number SF966B indicates that the device will be a beast, with benchmark scores of 2,896 points in single-core and 9,226 in multi-core. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which Qualcomm is referring to as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The test machine included 12 gigs of RAM, which is typical for a premium foldable device in 2025. This year, Samsung is changing the game in terms of design and color. With 256 and 512 gigs for the Fold and 128 and 256 gigs for the Flip F, storage choices are likely to be basically identical from last year. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 having black, blue, coral, and red, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 having black, silver, and blue shadow, and the Galaxy Z Flip FE having black and white, the color palette is getting a nice little makeover. Multiple sources suggest that a formal launch will take place in early July, with New York City perhaps serving as the host city. This teaser demonstrates Samsung's intention to market the Fold 7, or whatever it will be named, as more than simply another foldable. It's unclear how much of this enthusiasm translates into game-changing upgrades. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.